Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utility Master, and in this video we'll be unboxing the collar mic which I got from Amazon for my DSLR. So I got it with a leather pouch, and now I'm opening it. So it is a leather pouch. Here's the battery. And here is the mic. The wire is too much. One end is here and the main mic is here. So these are the components which we get with the mic, and only the cell is not of very good condition. It was opened from before. So 1, 2, 3, and we get 4 components with this, with the collar mic. So this is the sound without the collar mic, and this is the sound with the collar mic. So I don't know whether which sound is good. I will have to watch the video for that, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe my channel for more cool content and unboxing things and reviewing things, and hit the like button if you found this video useful.